Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Saherites. I hope you all are doing well, inshallah. So I came here to talk about a facial kit which we had purchased around the month of Feb, and we completely forgot about it until today when I was digging through the archives of my mom's big huge closet, and I found this kit and I thought I'll share a review with you guys because I've used this before, and along with that I wanted to just try it out. I just had a bath and I've just come. Let's talk about this product and how it looks like. So this is what I have. It is ozone youth restoring treatment, but this is how the entire package looks like. So this retails for around 2,850. It comes with different components which you have to use it, and the step by step instructions is given in the behind. So this Ozone brand is an Ayurvedic brand, and they believe in the ancient principles of Ayurvedic treatment. So this is Ayurvedic, but when I saw the ingredients there was paraben mentioned, but it was clearly mentioned, and most of the core ingredients are all natural, and the only reason paraben is added in this is only so that the products don't go bad. So with that being said, let me just show you how this looks like, and this is available on their website and Amazon and Flipkart, so I will share the link with you guys. Before we start the video and what I'm trying to do, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you like this video, and comment down if you like it. Now let me just open it up, and this comes in a packaging like this, in a beautiful golden purse with purple flowered, whatever this is called, branch, whatever. So it comes in that. With that they give you a band head, so you can use it that way. Box is the ozone radical deactivating ceramide, so this is one thing that you get, and in that you get bottles like these. Focus, yeah, you get bottles like these which are like serum, which should be applied on the face. So we get 2 packs of these, like 1 pack and another pack. So as you can see, we've used this 4 times before, so there is 1 still remaining, and I'm going to use this. Is a collagen boosting cream, and I will tell you everything about each of the products as and when I continue to shoot. Then I see a youth restoring hydrant, right? Youth restoring hydrant. This is how it looks like. Then I have a ozone skin awakening scrub, and then I have a ozone classic cleanser. So this is a cleanser, not a face wash, so let me just clear that out for you. Then we have several packets. Yeah, I have about 3, 4, 6 packets right now, with 4 being already used. I have 6 packets over here which have the face pack in itself. So it's mentioned micro lift face pack. So this particular treatment is for wrinkle skin, or to anti-aging skin, so for that. Apart from this, they have given me one of this which is like a knife which you can use to remove that ceramide, because it's a glass bottle, and it is in glass because it should not be exposed to sunlight much. So this is that, and that's all you have. And this is a very gorgeous pouch. You can see you can use it for any travel purposes, and it is really beautiful. This is the cleanser. Let me read. All of these products have a shelf life of 3 years. So in this it's written that they have aloe barbadensis, astricata indica, citrus lemon, and all of they have. The good part of it is that they have mentioned the percentages, 3%, 2%, so that's good. That's really good about this. The only since I've already washed my face, I will avoid the cleanser and just scrub my face. But let me tell you how to use this. You can use this by taking the cotton, you get these cotton swabs, like the makeup removing round pads. You have to just take a bit of cleanser on your face and just gently rub it all over. That is done only because the dirt or the particles on the face are removed. But if you still feel your face is sticky, then go ahead and rinse it, but I don't think so the case will be that. Thickening Scrub, this is how it looks like, and it's a beautiful packaging. As you can see, it's a pinkish kind of a packaging with the similar logo as we saw on the pouch. Let me always remember, never ever scrub your face when it's dry. So I'm just using a bit of toner, and I've taken this much amount of the product, and I will use more. Just pack it on my face and slightly scrub it, mostly on the problem areas, and avoid as much as I can on the acne part of it, because I don't want to irritate it more. So I will just use it like that. Okay, so finished scrubbing my face, and I initially wanted to take a steam, just like how they do in the parlor, but thanks to my brother, he broke the steamer, so I don't have that option. So I will just go ahead and wash my face and then go ahead and do the next. The next step, as per the box, is mentioned as you need to apply the ceramide, and on face and neck, avoiding the lips and the area around the eyes. Spread the ceramide gently on the facial skin with fingertips in a circular motion until fully absorbed. So I have pat dry my face. You guys need to be very careful with this. I literally almost cut my hand using this, but okay, it's like a milky fluid. I'm going to apply. I'm using the rest of the product on my hands and my neck, because that's a lot of quantity, and collagen boosting cream. And one thing I notice about all these products is that they have mentioned clearly that they have not added any external fragrances, which I don't know, but they've clearly mentioned that there is no coloring agent. They are a proprietary Ayurvedic medicine, and they have told that it should be stored in a cool and dry place and protected from direct sunlight. So, yeah. So, applying this, taking in that much, and I'm going to gently circle it. I'm going to. Ooh, nice. That you have to massage gently in a circular motion for 10 to 15 minutes, avoiding eyes and lips. I've taken a damp warm towel. I didn't find the smaller one, so I'm just using the normal, and I will gently pat it and clean. You have to use multiple times to get the result, but this looks good so far. So yeah, like this, and one packet can be used at least twice, so use accordingly. So I have it prepared here in this, and see the consistency. It smells like that sandalwood powder type smell. So yeah, I'll apply it on my face and let it sit there for at least 10-15 minutes, or at least till it dries. As you can see, I have this much left, and what I will do is I will just scrub it like this. So these if you don't know, if you can see, there are little particles here. These are coarse little particles, so it might not suit sensitive skin. So these people who have sensitive skin should be very careful in scrubbing it out and taking it, because the face pack's gonna go dry, and if you just scrub it aggressively, you are going to damage your skin. So be careful of that. But for hands, you can but we still can use it for your hands. Nothing's gonna happen. So I will take the last bit of it which is there on this and scrub it and then get back. Before this pack dries and I wash it off, I'll just want to give you the final comments and two thoughts on the product so far. So I definitely like the packaging. I definitely like that they have mentioned the products and the percentage of that particular ingredient in the product. The other thing that I really liked was that this they have clearly mentioned if they have parabens and they have not mixed it in a cocktail of all the ingredients. The main ingredients are simple and mentioned very clearly, and they have clearly told that these are all Ayurvedic products. So that's a good point. The only drawback that I would feel is that ceremoid, which is very difficult to open of it, or you are not as clumsy I am, then you can go ahead and use this. So this face pack is mostly for people who are 25 plus up to the age of 30, 40, whatever, because this is for wrinkles and anti-aging and all of that. So the people who are below 18 or below 25, I don't think you have to use it yet, because your skin is young and still glowing and all that stuff, so you don't need to use that. So there are other packs which are like acne pack, refreshing pack, same kind of boxes which you can use instead of this, but this one is specifically targeted for girls or women about 25, so that the aging can be reversed to the minutest. So I'm not telling you that this product will promise that your aging will just go back 10 years and you will look like a teenager, but it definitely shrinks the wrinkles and pores and the fine lines, so it gives a little bit of healthier looking skin. So aging is basically when our skin dries out and creates those fine lines, so it gives that restorative complex to back to the skin. So that's what it does. For I cannot speak for myself, I've used this before, I've liked the product, but you need to use it a couple of more times to actually get the results. In the first go, when after I not even put the face pack and just applied the creams and everything, the skin was looking fresh. Before that it was looking dull. So that is something that I noticed, and I will give you an update sometime else as to how the product is. So again, I'm mentioning the ceremoid is a very tricky situation, and please be careful. Please be careful and open it near a sink or something, and that one whole bottle can be used twice, so you need to store that in some other container. But I used it on my hands and my face because I didn't want to store it anywhere. I had to go down and search for a tumbler, and I don't want to carry that small bottle and go in, I am very accident prone and I don't want to get into that situation. So yeah, I am clearly mentioning that so that I don't keep anything hidden from you guys. So let me just sit and relax, let this get dried out, wash it, and then come back to you guys. So guys, it's been 20 minutes around that, and pura soak chuka hai. I'll just go wash it off and go ahead and do the next steps. So stay hooked. As you guys can see, I've washed it off. Thoda bahut hoga idhar udhar, but I've washed it off, and I'm gonna take the towel and wipe it. This is the final step, which is the youth restoring hydrant, and it mentions that it helps maintain youthful radiance. Again, it has saffron oil, citrus lemon extract, carrot oil, half of the things which I don't understand. So first impressions is my skin looks very squeaky clean, and I can see that the pores have minimized a lot, and we'll use this. Let's just take. So I've taken about this much, and I'm just going to pat it on my. Oh my god, this smells so divine, like so divine. It's got this smell with hint of the oil smell. So definitely feels like luxurious. So calming and nice, and I love the smell on it, so I'm liking it. Okay, with that, guys, I've done the facial, and I'll let this set, and I'll meet you next time. Till then, stay safe.